Assalamu alaikum. Now we will discuss how to convert parts per million ppm solution into molar solution. Say you have parts per million solution in your laboratory and you want to know its molar concentration, or you have molar solution and you want to convert it into parts per million ppm solution. Then what will be the formula? In order to convert ppm solution into molar solution, there is simple formula. Take given ppm solution, take concentration of given ppm solution, divide it with 1000 and with molecular weight of the compound. Now this is formula to convert ppm solution into molar solution. Your ppm solution will be converted into molar solution. Given ppm solution divided by 1000 divided by molecular weight of the compound. Now how this formula is derived? When you have ppm solution, ppm, 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per liter of solution. I mean 1 ppm is 1 milligram per liter of solution. So instead of writing ppm, we can write milligram per liter of solution. Okay. Milligram per liter of solution. So if you have solution in ppm, it means you have milligram per liter of that compound and you have to convert it into molar. Now molar is number of moles of that compound again per liter of solution. In SI units we say per dm cube of solution. Now milligram per liter, number of moles per liter. Now liter is the same. In solution concentration it is same. Just you have to convert milligrams into moles. So you have to convert milligrams of your sample into moles form. Now first convert milligrams into grams. In order to convert milligrams into gram, you have to divide it with 1000. Milligram is a small unit, gram is a large. From going from small to large unit, you have to divide it. So in order to convert milligram into grams, simply divide it with 1000. By dividing it with 1000, now it is converted into grams. Now it is grams of your compound per liter of solution. Now convert grams into moles. You will divide it by molecular weight of that compound. So divide it with molecular weight of compound. When you divide these number of grams with molecular weight of compound, then number of grams, molecular weight of compound, it is equal to number of moles. I mean your solution is converted into number of moles per liter of the solution. So this is how this formula is derived. Given ppm solution divided by 1000 to convert milligrams into grams, and divided by molecular weight to convert these grams into number of moles of the solution. So by applying this formula, your sample it is converted into molar form. And in order to convert it back, mean from molar to ppm, same formula it become reverse. Say you have given molar solution. Here you have divided it by 1000, divided by molecular weight. Here simply multiply it with 1000, multiply it with molecular weight of that compound. Then your molar solution will be converted into ppm, parts per million. Let's apply it on sodium chloride, NaCl. Say we have 1000 ppm of NaCl. You have 1000 ppm of NaCl, sodium chloride solution, and you want to know its molar concentration. Then apply this formula. Given ppm solution, it is 1000 ppm. Divide it with 1000 to convert it into grams and divide it with molecular weight of sodium chloride, which is 58.5. By dividing 1000 with 1000, you got 1, and by dividing 1 with 58.5, you got approximately 0.0017 molar. So 1000 ppm NaCl, sodium chloride, is basically 0.001 molar sodium chloride solution. Same is to convert it into back. mean when you convert molar solution into ppm, multiply it with 1000, multiply it with your molecular weight of that compound, then your molar solution will be converted into ppm solution. So this is how to convert ppm solution into molar and molar solution into the ppm.